Hello guys, so today we'll be reviewing this very sweet and very beautiful real estate website. So this is strictly real estate listing website. So this is how it looks at the front. Let's have a quick overview of this front with the search function that you can search for the particular areas as set by the admin that you're looking for by price, or it sets by location or property name. So you click on the property type, it's a villa, all these things are set from the admin, as we are going to be looking at the admin too. If it's by any place you are trying to get the real estate area to look around, to be around, so you just put all of those things set from the admin. So this is how it looks like. This is how the listing looks like also. So we are going to be opening one property. All right. So this is what we have here. This is how it looks like. So if someone is interested, they just write a message and it's sent to the agent. We then find this. So this is what we have for this. A message is sent, receive it from the admin for on the email that is set on this form, and you continue the chat from there. So that's that for the listing. They are going to be seeing some other part of the website to see what we have. Let's continue with our view of the site. So at the end of the day, after the inquiry is sent, you can also come here. You can also come here and chat the person on WhatsApp. Based on what the admin has said, that WhatsApp number is very active on the admin side. Let's continue the review that we're trying to do on this landing page. So this is what we have. And if we want to go to our properties, like viewing the listing properly, this is what we have on our listing properly. So admin can add more properties, admin can delete properties. Let's go into the admin dashboard. Let's see what we have on our admin dashboard. So this is what we have on our admin dashboard. To view our properties, we come here to add the property. You click on this part to add the property. So as you can see, it has all the options for you to add your property. Now I'm going to be doing more videos like this to actually view our catalog, to view the catalogs of the scripts that we have, so that we can actually have these things in public. So we are going to be going from there. We'll go back to the dashboard. Yeah. After the dashboard, check our properties, which we just checked also just now. We check the agent. So there can be different agents per property. So there can be one agent or there can be multiple agents. To check for inquiries too. Now remember, we just made an inquiry. Now you can come on this place on the action to delete the inquiry, or actually respond to that inquiry. This is everything that was in the inquiry. This was the message I sent in the inquiry. So now the status of this inquiry is now read. Like it has been read, it has been opened. So you can choose to either work from the email that I sent automatically through the form, or you can choose to come here on your admin to pick that order, respond to the order, call the order, or you send an email to the order, or just do anything you want to do with that details. It's also good for leads because here you have your leads here on your admin. Anytime you need those leads, just come to your admin and you take those leads. So we just got to the inquiries. Now the settings, which covers a lot of things on the website. For instance, the site name, the SMTP setup, social media handles, covers it. The site name, the currency that you want to put there, so you can change it to Naira, the site logo, site favicon, contact information, address, and so on. It covers all of these things. So this is my quick review on this real estate scripts, real estate website. If you need something like this, you can send me a direct message to get it. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, and down the description. Thank you very much. Do watch, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.